If you feel like you're being emotionally cheated on, I would suggest that you start a conversation with your partner and really start talking to them about what is going on and that you are picking up on stuff instead of pretending that it's not happening and sticking your head in the sand. Because what happens when we stick our heads in the sand is it still carries on, but we're ignoring. And what happens is all of that stuff manifests in our body and we start finding ourselves eating more or binging on alcohol or taking drugs or even considering having an affair ourselves. But even people experience severe depression or high levels of anxiety, and that's due to suppressing emotions. So if you're feeling like somebody is cheating on you, start a conversation with them or book a counseling session for the two of you with a couples counselor where you can address what's happening in a safe space. Please look after yourselves and invest in what you believe is the best thing for yourself. Reach out to therapy now.